Today unboxing is on the Tomica Premium Nissan R34 GTR Z-Tunes, and this is a special release by Model Cars magazine from Nico Publishing. It's a collector's handbook from the very first Tomica Premium back in 2015 to date. You can see the box is huge because it's based on the size of the guidebook, and before this video I unwrapped the outer wrapper that holds the guidebook and the packaging together. Very nice photography as always from Tomica Premium in their signature black background. See a variety of scales that makes with the 1:43 RS. Behind is also very premium with all black background. It's a big package because the date is to accompany the Tomica standard large box. Book wise is identical to the package. It costs approximately 2,400 yen without tax in Japan. The book is of course all written in Japanese, but there's a gallery of images that you can refer to, and this is an interesting section about the R34 Z-Tunes, which includes the brief history of the Tomica Premium. Many angles of the Z-Tune is very comprehensive. A variety of showcase, and definitely a very good reading material for Tomica Premium collector. And now to release the Z-Tune out of the package. It's just a big empty box that holds one single car. I will throw away this package later. The outer box is just like all the Tomica Premium packaging in a black background. Very stylized photography. Plus it's a special issue, it doesn't have any number. In fact, you can see the Model Cars magazine logo on the bottom right. The rear of the Z-Tune, and it states is 1:62 scale. Body color is very premium. It's a sort of a bayside blue in pearl finish. Very cool. Details on the front is flawless. You can see the GTR emblem on the front grille is very visible with the Z-Tune car plate, and also very nice plastic insert headlights. Realistic wheel sets in plastic, including the spoiler. I love the opening door features without compromising the realism of the casting. Interior is also very detailed in two tones, red and black. Painted signature R34 rear lights on the rear, together with the Z-Tune and Nissan livery. Paint job is on point, including a realistic exhaust. Overall, a very cool casting, definitely one of my top 10 Tomica Premium. Tomica Premium is a very successful series, and it's definitely the way to go. More Tomica unboxing coming, and remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone, bye!